This is the Connect Your Need app home screen. In the home screen, you can see multiple categories listed here. Every category again consists with multiple products. If you are looking for an event manager or event organizer, that product will falls under wedding category. Or if you wanted to buy any machinery, then that falls under machinery category. In that way, let's say if you are looking for any job, that falls under jobs category. So in this way, you have to find your category first, and once you find the category, click on that category. Let's say if I am looking for something which falls under wedding category, then I will click on wedding. So once I click on the wedding, products which are listed under the wedding category will be displayed here. So from these products, I can select my need. In this way, you can select any of the category here. Like if I wanted to buy any product or if I wanted to sell any product, so I can quickly click on buy and sell category, so that products will be listed in the buy and sell category. So in this way, first I need to understand my need and find out the category, and after that I have to click on the category so that products which are assigned to that category will be displayed on the screen. If it is like, if it is becoming difficult to find your product in a category, then in that case you can simply use this search functionality. So once you click on the search, you'll be getting a lot of products here. So now let's say if you're looking for a job or if you're offering something, in that case you can click here. Like if you're a backend developer, yeah, so when I'm typing here, then automatically it is giving a result saying that backend developer is there in jobs. So I will click on backend developer now. So once I click on that, I will be getting a form here. So in this way, first thing is that you have to look for your need. If you could able to find your need in any category, that's awesome. Or you can also simply type your requirement or type your need in the search, and then you can select your need, then automatically it will redirects you to the form. So in the form, the most important thing is it is asking you to select seeker or offerer. So what is seeker and what is offerer? Let's say I have selected a backend developer. Now the question is whether I'm looking for a backend developer job, or I'm a backend developer and I wanted to provide a service. Like I wanted to give my service to the people who are looking for a backend developer. Now let's say I'm looking for a job as a backend developer. In that case, I can select seeker. Seeker means if you are looking for any job, or if you are looking for any service, or if you wanted to buy any product, in that case you will become as a seeker. Offerer means if you are offering any job or if you are offering any service. Let's say you are a plumber and you are offering a plumbing service, in that case you can select offerer. Or you are running a business and you are selling some products, in that case you can select offerer. So anything if you are offering, then you have to select offerer, or if you are looking for something, then click on seeker. So now in my case I'm looking for a job as backend developer, so I'm selecting seeker. And then simply I will put my title here, like need a job, and here description like again need a job on urgent basis. So in the real time you can put all your description, like your entire requirements. And then I have an option here to upload the images, but as I'm looking for the job, so I will take this option as an optional one, But if I'm running a business, like if I'm selling some products and I wanted to showcase my products to the people, in that case I can upload my pictures, and that is completely optional again. And price range is also optional. Like if I'm looking for any service in between dollar dollar 500 to dollar 1000, in that case I can mention here. If not, again that is also optional. And it is asking us to select the gender preference. This is not our gender. Like with whom we are connecting, we have to select their gender. That means I selected backend developer and I am a seeker. So the one who is providing the job, whether he could be a male or female. So in that case I have to assume and I have to select here. So now I'm selecting male and female here. Or let's say if you are selling some products which are only related to male, so in that case you can only select male. Or if you're a female doing some business and if you're selling some products to only female and you only wanted to connect with a female, then just click on female. But in my case I'm looking for a job and the one who he's providing this job could be a male or female. In that case I'm selecting both. And kilometers range. So what is kilometers here? If I select, if I put 33 kilometers here, so what I am telling to connect your need app is that I am looking for a job as backend developer, and the one who is providing this job, if that person is within 30 kilometers of my surroundings, then I should get an immediate alert. That means wherever I go or wherever I will be, if someone is providing a job as backend developer, and if that guy is within my chosen kilometers, then I'll be getting an alert. At the same time, he will also be getting an alert. So in that case, we have to select our kilometers range and click on generate order. So once you click on generate order, based upon your details, a QR code will be generated. In this way, you can generate multiple QR codes for multiple needs. Let's say you are a plumber offering a plumbing service, then simply click on plumber, fill up the form, choose your kilometers, select offer because you are offering the service, and click on generate. So a QR code will be generated. Or if you are a doctor and you are offering your service, simply select your specialization and click on offer and then click on generate order. Then you will be getting a QR code. So in this way, we can generate multiple QR codes for multiple needs. So once this is done, again you have an option here to edit. If you wanted to edit something like your title and description, you can edit it and click on update. If not, you can leave that option. Now again I'm coming back to the home screen. Now if you wanted to see your products, then you can click on orders. So once I click on orders, all my orders will be listed here, all my generated QR codes. So if you see here, I have a bunch of requirements, like a bunch of needs. Like I'm looking for a backend developer, and if you see at the content writer as offer, that means I'm offering a content writing service. In this way, all my needs will be listed in this screen. So till here you can use the app, and whatever kilometers you select, so within that kilometers, if someone is there who is having the same need, will be get connected to you immediately. Now I'm coming back to the home screen. So now there is another functionality called convert to ad. So that is again another option. So what is the importance of that option? Let's say if you are running a business and you wanted to showcase your service or your brand to the people, to all the people who are there in Connect Your Need app. So now that is very simple with the option called convert to ad. Or if you are providing any service to a limited city, or to a limited city, in that case also you can make your requirement, you can turn your need as an ad and you can showcase it to the people with a limit of a city. Or if you are looking for a job, and you wanted to showcase your requirement to the people in the Connect Your Need app, you can simply do that. So if you see here, there are some real-time ads are running on the home screen. If you see here, one person is saying that we offer repair services. If I click on that ad, I'll be getting the customer details here. Or if I let's say if I click on like photography here, so I'll be getting all the customer details here, even including I guess customer have some YouTube URL. So if I click here YouTube, I'll be redirecting to the YouTube where I can see all his works. In this way, you can explore your need or showcase your brand or products or service to the people in Connect Your Need app. So how to do that? How to convert your order into an ad? It is very simple. Just click on orders, and now you'll be able to see all your QR codes or all your orders listed here. So whichever order you wanted to convert it into the ad, choose your order first, and every order will be having this convert to ad button. So now what I will do, I will click on convert to ad. Once I click on that, I'll be getting a form here. So here the most important thing is the description. So because based upon these details, Connect Your Need support team will design a ad and they will push it to the app. So again, I'll be typing like need a job. So in real time, it's better for you to provide all the details so that it will be easy for us to create an ad. And here coupon code and offer percentage. Let's say you have a store and you wanted to make your customers walk into your store. In that case, to attract your customers, you can provide some coupon code and offer percentage so that customers can walk in into your store and can show the coupon code and percentage, and you can give a best deal to them. In that way you can attract your customers. And URLs, if you're selling some products and you wanted to showcase your Instagram page or your Facebook page, in that case you can put all your social media URLs here. Or if you're having any app and you wanted to promote your app, in that case you can enter your company website or your Play Store, App Store links. And once you're done with that, click on next button. Now you'll be getting a map screen here, and this is very simple. Let's say you are selling some products, and you are sure that you can sell your product throughout the country. In that case, if you see on the right top screen, a green color radio button is already enabled. That means the whole country is selected by default. So from here you can click on submit. Or let's say you are offering some service and that is limited to one particular city. So in that case I will turn off this and I can select, let's say if I am providing any cab service and that is limited to a particular city called Hyderabad, then I can type here and I will select Hyderabad. And if I'm looking for any job in 2 3 different places, in 2 3 different cities, in that case also I can select multiple cities. So one thing is that I selected Hyderabad, and I will type Bangalore and Delhi. Yeah, so in this way I can select multiple cities. So people who are using Connect Your Need app in Hyderabad and Bangalore and in Delhi, they will be getting my ad. So that if anyone is interested in having a common need, so they can simply select my ad. They will select my ad so that they will be getting all my details. In this way, I can explore my brand to the people within the cities, or I can also go through the whole country. So once I'm done with selection of the cities or the country, I will click on submit button. So once I click on that, I'll be getting a billing screen here again. So here in this screen I can choose my plan. So the plan starts from 1 month to 12 months. So here I will select plan like whichever is suitable. I will go with 3 months plan. I wanted to run my ad for complete 3 months. So in this way you can select your plan. I will provide all my billing details and I will accept the terms and conditions and I will click on pay now button. So once I click on that, I will be getting a form here. So here I will enter the card details. If the payment is success, then your order will be transferring to the Connect Your Need company supporting. If the transaction is failed, it again redirects you to the order screen. So now once you're done with this, you can also track your status, ad status. So to track that, click on order screen, and if you see here a tab called my ads, click on my ads. So here I can see. So if I see at the content writer, like it is saying that approval is in progress. And if I see here like backend developer, it is saying that your request is still pending because I haven't made the payment, so it is still in the like pending status. So in this way you can track the status, and once it is approved from the Connect Your Need support team, then you will be getting a email notification as well as the mobile app notification saying that your ad is approved. So once that is done, you can also see your ad on the home screen with all the details listed. Whatever details you provide to the Connect Your Need support team, based on those details an ad will be created and pushed it to the app. So in this way you can explore your business to more people in Connect Your Need app. And now let's say if you are looking for some product which is not listed in any one of the category, in that case even you can help us out by providing your requirement. So for that, if you are not, if you aren't able to find your product in this app, or let's say the need which you are looking for is not listed in this app, in that case you can simply click on profile, and here again click on settings and click on contact us. So here you will be able to see three tabs. One is inquiry, feedback and request. Inquiry means like if you have any question you can ask us and our support team will be happy to help you out with the answers. And if you wanted to give a feedback to us, you can give a feedback. Also we appreciate you if you could spare some of your time and provide us a good rating and reviews in the Play Store and App Store. And request, like as I said, if you have, if you are not able to find your product or your need in any of the category in Connect Your Need app, and if you wanted to add any service or any product, like if you wanted to get your need in this app, you can raise a request here, like product title, add a printer. Let's I'm selling a printer and that is not listed in this app, so I can simply raise a request. So add a printer, add a printer on urgent basis. So I'm sending a request to the support team. So once I click on submit, a request will be submitted to the team, and Connect Your Need support team will immediately start working on that. And once that need is pushed to the app, you will be getting an alert saying that your need is available in Connect Your Need app. Then again you can follow up the same process, like you can select your need and you can fill up the form and you can generate the QR code, and from there you can get connected to the people who look for the same product or service. Or if you are not able to provide the details and if you wanted to have a call with our support team, you can simply click on call to support, so that you will be getting the number here, and you can connect with the support team within the mentioned hours. If you see here, our support hours are from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. In between these timings you can contact us and you can let us know about your requirements. So based upon that, we will be helping you out. So finally, in this way you can use the Connect Your Need app. Thank you.